A plane changed its direction by just 1 degree and landed over 400 kilometers away from where it was supposed to land. That's exactly how your life is changing right now. Most people believe life changes because of one big decision. A big opportunity. A big breakthrough. But in reality, your future is shaped by tiny choices you repeat every day. In this video, you'll discover how small changes silently decide success, and how you can take control of your direction starting today. Welcome to 3 Sexty Book Wisdom, where we turn simple ideas into powerful life lessons. Let's come back to that airplane example. When a plane is flying in the air, changing direction by just 1 degree feels meaningless. The passengers don't notice it. Nothing shakes. Nothing feels wrong. But when that plane lands, it can be hundreds of kilometers away from its original destination. 1 degree didn't matter in the moment, but it decided the final outcome. That's how life works. You don't suddenly fail. You slowly drift. And you don't suddenly succeed either. You quietly adjust. Daily habits. Think about reading 10 pages a day. It feels too small to matter. But in 1 year, that's more than 12 books. That's new thinking. New confidence. New perspective. Now think about scrolling on your phone for 20 minutes instead. No damage today. No warning sign tomorrow. But over a year, thousands of minutes are gone. Same time. Different direction. No one wakes up unhealthy one day. It starts with, I'll skip today. Just one more junk meal. I'll start next week. Tiny decisions. Repeated daily. But imagine this instead. A 15-minute walk. Drinking water instead of soda. Sleeping 30 minutes earlier. Small changes, but completely different outcomes. Career and skills. You don't need to master everything. Just learn one skill for 20 minutes a day. Editing. Writing. Speaking. Coding. In 6 months, you're not average anymore. In 1 year, people call you talented. But the truth is, you simply stayed consistent while others waited. A message for youth. If you're under 35, listen carefully. You don't need to have your whole life figured out. You don't need motivation every single day. You don't need to move fast. You just need direction. Ask yourself, is this decision moving me 1 degree closer? Or 1 degree further away from the life I want? Because consistency beats intensity. Direction beats speed. One day, you'll look back and realize, your life didn't change because of luck. It changed because you woke up slightly earlier. You tried again after failing. You chose discipline over comfort just a little. Tiny changes don't feel powerful today. But over time, they create massive distance. So today, adjust your direction by just 1 degree. Your future self is already thanking you. If this video made you think even a little, subscribe to 3 Sexty Book Wisdom. Because small ideas, repeated often, change lives.